Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to the course, and in this video I'll show you the design strategy looks like. So when you're designing, you basically need to see what your competition is, and then according to that you will design your content. For example, we have this channel right here which is alx.com. It is a business channel on YouTube. For example, if I'm starting a business channel or a productivity channel or money channel, all these type of things, I just need to see my opponent, which is in this case alx.com, and I'll see their designs and try to create something similar. For example, in a lot of these I need to analyze. For example, in a lot of these there is a text behind an object scene. There is a text behind an object which is looking kind of cool. So I'll try to make something like this, similar to this. So what we'll do is we'll just go into Canva and try to replicate or even make it even better than it is here. So we'll go inside Canva and we'll try to create something similar or maybe something better than these designs. So whenever you are designing, you always go and see your opponent and what they are doing and make your design similar, or maybe if you're a good designer, make a design better than them. For example, I want to create a design here in Canva. I'll just go here and search for gradient. This in elements page, I'll explain it later on as well. In elements page you'll find elements like these, such as I have gone for the gradient. I have a gradient color, and then I can find out a rocket if I am making a video about rockets, for example, and I need a thumbnail based on that. Let me see a rocket which looks good. I like this one. I'll just increase the size here and place it over here. So maybe I don't maybe I can change the color of the gradient. No, I cannot. So there are gradients that you can change the color, and there are gradients you cannot change the color. Okay, I'll go inside and search for a text. Click on text and have a text. I want here rocket written like this. But if we see here, I like this part even better. So what we'll do is we'll try to create something similar or maybe something better than our opponent. So this is basically a design strategy that businesses use, that I want you to use as well. So what I'll do is I'll position it backwards like this, so it looks like it is behind the rocket. I'll increase the size of rocket to make it look a little bit more cooler. So these are the strategies that you'll use. So I always want you to go for this. NASA, let's write NASA here. I always want you to do an analysis of your design before making a design, so it looks more better and you give more potential to it, and in that way your design will look a lot much better than it will look before. So try to do an analysis and then make a design. In this case I have seen the design of alx.com which was made about rocket, and I tried to create a similar or a more beautiful design inside Canva. So let's go towards the main course, because you have understood what you want to create. You have identified your opponent, and now you are ready to create your design. So let's see how Canva can help you. Okay, we'll meet in the next video.